Hello everyone. Today we'll study about the non-communicable diseases. What is the definition of non-communicable diseases? The diseases which do not spread from one person to another are known as non-communicable diseases. They are also called as deficiency diseases. Why? Sometimes they occur due to deficiency of some nutrient in our body. That's why they are also known as deficiency diseases. So let us discuss those diseases one by one. First one is kwashiorkor. It is caused by absence of protein in our diet and result in improper growth, swelling of legs, stomach and face. You can also see discoloration of hair and the patchy skin. So, if anybody is having a kwashiorkor, this condition can be cured by taking protein-rich diet like soya bean, pulses, egg, grains, etc. Next disease is night blindness. It is caused by deficiency of vitamin A. The person suffering from this disease cannot able to see properly in the dim light, and it may also lead to proper blindness. So, person should eat the food which is rich in vitamin A like spinach, carrot, papaya, mango, milk, etc. Next disease is beriberi. Beriberi is caused due to deficiency of vitamin B1. And what are the effects? The person can develop numbness in hands and feet, and muscles never used to work properly in this disease. So, a person should eat a proper vitamin B1 diet, which include milk, cereals, green vegetables, etc. Next disease which you can see is scurvy. Scurvy is caused due to deficiency of vitamin C. So that means if we are going to take vitamin C rich diet, this disease can be cured. But what are the symptoms? Symptoms are swollen and bleeding gums. And if I am going to give lot of citrus food to the person, then this disease can be cured easily. Citrus fruits like orange, lemon, amla, tomato, etc. Next is rickets. Rickets is caused due to deficiency of vitamin D in our food. So, what are the symptoms of this disease? The bones will become soft and legs will become bow-shaped. So, if we provide the food which is rich in vitamin D, the person can be cured easily. Sunlight is the best source of vitamin D. Milk products are also good for rickets. Next is anemia. Anemia is caused due to deficiency of iron. So, what are the symptoms? A person can feel weakness and tiredness and can have dark circle below the eyes. So, a person should eat diet rich in iron like banana, apple, spinach, pomegranate, etc. Next is goiter. It is caused by deficiency of mineral iodine. Right? In this, the throat swells up, and also it leads to mental and physical growth which is stunted, means less growth. So for that, a person should take the food which is rich in iodine. Right? And iodized salt can be taken. Next is obesity. Although obesity is not a deficiency disease, but it is a non-communicable disease. When we are eating more of fried and oily food, it can lead to obesity. And so what we have to do in that? So we have to do a lot of physical work, exercise, and avoid eating junk food to get prevented from this disease. Calcium is also one of the important component of our diet. It also leads to strengthening of bones and teeth. So we should also take milk and milk product which is rich in calcium so that our bone should work properly and stays in healthy condition. So this is all about the deficiency diseases, or you can say non-communicable diseases. By this, I want to end up. Thank you everyone.